All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about interesting, if unique, design choices. All right, so what I got here is a AC condenser. Yes, this is an AC condenser on a BMW. Later model 1234YF. As you can see, it looks like an oil cooler. It is a water to refrigerant cooler. Yeah, obviously there's a receiver dryer made by Vallejo, whatever you want to say. But it is a water condenser. All it does is you've got two lines going to it, and that's what cools your refrigerant. Now, it's an interesting design. One of the things I really like about it is it's much less likely to be punched in a collision. Let's say you rear end a truck with a trailer hitch and it goes right through your radiator. Well, it probably will not go through this. One of the things I don't like about it is the fact that it is not self-bleeding. FYI, me and Eric talked about this on the live stream me and him did. Eric that works here, not Eric O. If you want to watch it, I will link it up there. Me and Eric, the Eric that works here, talked about it on the live stream we did. And it has an electric pump, a reservoir, and despite the reservoir being above the pump, it does not self-bleed. Even if you activate the pump and let it sit there and run, it will not self-bleed. Maybe something I was doing wrong, but it would not self-bleed for me. FYI, if you deal with it, if you're dealing with high pressures on that system, vacuum bleed it. It will cause excessive high pressures. So if you ever run into that, make sure you vacuum bleed the system. I thought I would talk about this system because it's just crazy interesting technology that they're going to. You know, engineers will find a way to make something, well, better. I laugh at that because I do work for an engineer. Just interesting technology I thought y'all would find interesting. I know the BMW trainer that follows my channel will already know about it, but thought it was interesting because I had to figure it out with ALLDATA's very poor information on this car. I should have just gotten an ISTA subscription and gone to Air, but it was... Directions were on the condenser was like it was a traditional condenser, but there was no condenser. It's that thing. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.